video I am going to explain you about method of purification of water. And in this video I will explain you about boiling process. So let us know what is boiling process and what are the advantages of boiling process. Boiling is a rapid vaporization of liquid which occurs when liquid is heated and temperature reach to its boiling point. So dear student, what do you mean by boiling? Boiling is a rapid vaporization of liquid which occur when liquid is heated and the temperature reach to its boiling point. Dear student, pure water boil at 100 degree Celsius. 100 degree Celsius. So what do you mean by the boiling point? The temperature at which a particular liquid start to boil, that particular temperature is known as boiling point of that particular liquid. Natural water or the pure water boil at 100 degree Celsius. Let us know how boiling process is one of the best method of purification of water and what are the advantages. Let us know the advantages of boiling process. It kills the germs. Second, soluble impurities convert to insoluble impurities. So dear student, let us know what are the advantages of boiling process. First, all the germs present in the water are killed by boiling process. Second, some dissolved impurities which can't be separated by filtration or other purification method, it can be separated only by boiling process. The soluble impurities present in water can be converted to insoluble by the understand the particular process. Dear student, become half filled with water, half filled with water, and heat it. As the temperature reach to its boiling temperature, boiling point 100 degree Celsius, water start to boil. Water start to boil. After half an hour of the burner and let the water cool. What you notice above the layer of the water, above the layer of the water, the soluble impurities present in the water change to insoluble and present above the surface of the water. Insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities. Some impurities also used to settle at the bottom of the container. Bottom of the container. And this way, the impurities can be separated by the boiling process, dear student. So, boiling process is one of the best method for purification of the. So, dear student, read the topic and learn about the boiling process. Thank you, dear students.